You are welcome to my channel. This is Elyon Educational Consult, where I solve technical drawing questions. Today we are looking at the curve of intersection of solid. There's a question here before us. The question says, draw the curve of intersection of two cylinders of unequal diameter meeting at an angle as shown below. You can see there are two cylinders here. Cylinder B is interpenetrating into cylinder A at an angle 45 degree, as you can see from the question. So what we'll be doing now, we'll draw the given view first before we start drawing the curve of intersection. So I will start by drawing my baseline. I will draw a baseline this way. Okay, so from the question given to us, we are told that the diameter of the plan of pipe A is 60, as we can see. So I will measure with my compass to draw the diameter, radius 30 mm, radius 30 mm this way. So with this, I will draw the plan of pipe A. You place on any point on the line there. So this is diameter 60. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I will draw a straight line which will be projected to the elevation of pipe A this way. Okay, so I will draw at both sides this way. Okay, so we have that. So I will draw the base for the elevation of pipe A this way. Ensure it is square in order for my line to be straight. So this way. Alright, and we are told that the length of the pipe, as you can see, is 100. So I'll quickly do that now. I'll measure from this base here. I'll measure 100. So this is my 100. That is 10 centimeter, as we can see there. So the next thing now, extend this line further. Okay, I will extend this other side. Up this way. So from the point where we have then so I will draw the top of pipe A. Alright, so this is the length of the elevation of pipe A. So the next thing we have here, we are given this part here from the bottom of the elevation of pipe A to the point where the angle is. We are told is 20. So I will quickly take that now. 20. So this way. That's my 20. So draw a perpendicular line to it this way. Alright. Alright. Then we are going to be taking the angle now at 45 degree. With my 45 degree set square, I'll be taking the angle now. As you can see, the angle is 45, so I'll place it this way so I can extend this now. I can extend this thin line and I'll place it this way to take my angle, which is 45. This way, you just take the angle that way. Okay, so this is the angle 45 degree. We are not given the length of this place. As we can see, we are only given the length here to be 15. So we are not given the length here. So what we are going to do now, we are going to take a point first. Just take a point, any point of your choice. Okay, if I, for example, take this point, now at this point I will draw perpendicular. I will draw perpendicular line at 90 degree this way. This way to that point, then we'll draw perpendicular line to it. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are given this place to be 50 mm diameter. So all I will do is just to measure. I will measure 50 with the ruler. So measure diameter 50. So which is this? As you can see, this is 50. Okay, at that point. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I will draw parallel line to it, to this line. So I'll quickly draw parallel line to this line this way. Put my set square. I put my set square on this line this way. Okay, place my ruler behind it. Then I will slide until I get to that point, which is 50 that we measure earlier. Okay, we have this. All right, so all of this, they are thin line, so that is not our main line now, but we are told that this part from here to this part here, this portion here, as we can see in the question, that it should be 1.5. So all I'm going to do now is to place my ruler here. I will just measure 1.5, or I do that with my compass, measuring 1.5 or 15 mm. So let me quickly do that now. 1.5, that's 15 mm. So my 1.5 stop here. So this is my 1.5. Okay, you can see it is more than, so it depends on where I chose the point. So yours can be behind or after it, so it doesn't matter, it's still correct. So this is my 1.5 now. So all I will need to do now is just to take my compass now, measure this length here, place here, and get this. Or better still, I can just slide as well by placing my set square right behind it this way, place my ruler behind it this way, slide until I get to this portion to draw. So it's still the same thing. So all I will do now, I will join these two parts together. So I'm going to take that out now, because that is actually the part where we need. So we take this out. So this now is inconsequential. It's a thin line. So this is my, from here to here is my 1.5, which satisfy the given dimension. So that is that. So the next thing, I will take out my outline, which will form the given view. So I'll quickly do that now. Take it out this way. this way, this way. Okay. So the next thing is I will take out the circle as so the circle is taken out. So the next thing now from this place, now this is the plan of pipe A. Okay, this is the elevation, this is pipe B, the elevation of pipe B. Then I need to draw the plan of pipe B now. So to do that, all I just need to do, place my set square here, following this line here, the baseline, to ensure it is perpendicular. Then from this point here, where it's called that part, I hope you can see it from this point. So I'll project a thin line down that way, project a thin line down that way. Then from this top now, I'm going to have this. Now we're told that the pipe, they are of unequal diameter. So pipe A, diameter of pipe A, which this represent the plan, is 60. Then diameter of pipe B is 50. So quickly get that now out. So let's get this center, the center line. Okay, so we have that. So I'll be measuring 1.5 up, 1 point, no, diameter is 50. Diameter of this pipe here, of pipe B, is 50. So for the plan, so I'll measure 25 up, 25 down. So 25, which is 2.5, 2.5 this way. Okay, so we shall place here now. This is 2.5, 2.5. So I hope this is clear now, because the pipe, they are not of equal diameter. Now the diameter of this pipe B is 50. So for the plan as well, is going to be 50. They are of unequal diameter. If they had been of equal diameter, it will have been coming from this top here, top of the circumference of the circle. So this way now, I'm going to have it this way. Draw this. Then I will draw for the base as well. Move it to it, as you can see. You can see here. Show that it is straight. Okay. So we have that. So I will take out my pipe, the plan of pipe B now, this way. So this completes the given view. So this is the given view of the diagram, two pipe intercepting each other as given to us with the dimension. So the next thing now is for me to be drawing the curve of intersection, which I'll be doing in the next video. Thank you very much.